Hi, my name's Mike with Indie Healthy Vending, and today we'll be going through setting up some gift bags. I teamed up with a consulting firm here in Indianapolis to be able to help get our name out there and brand and help branding and stuff like that. Here's some of the product that we'll be putting there: some Luna bars, Kind bars, mini cheddar cheese crackers, veggie straws. There's the bags that I'll be using. I got my flyers for these little gift bags for this consulting place. We got some nice flyers made up. So you can see there, it's got all of our information on it. Some cheaper, need to get some nicer ones made, but some business cards that came from Healthy You that they provided, but these are the last of them, so I'll burn them up on this. Staple the business card to the bag, green bag, kind of go with the green flyer. There's some extra snacks we'll probably put in there as well that we'll give out at this consulting place that's holding a big thing for about 40 people, HR directors and stuff for companies. So yeah, we'll get all this stuff put in there and see what it gives us as far as like since it's free, and this person actually reached out to us, Indie Healthy Vending, and to partner up with them. So I'll go through all this, fill up the bags, probably do a time lapse on this, put them in that box, and we'll get started. So I'm Mike with Indie Healthy Vending. If you can see me, start filling the bags, putting a flyer in here like that. That real quick, and do a bag of some veggie straws just to kind of give people a snack, just to kind of get the word out about healthy vending. So stick that in there. So we'll do something real simple like that for 40 people. And tomorrow I'll drop all these off at the consulting place, and hopefully we'll get our name out there and start getting some traction. So I'm gonna have to buy more machines. If 40 people, at least even if 20% of them want machines, we're gonna have to purchase more machines for any other thing. So that's one bag, and I'll keep going. So that's all finished up. That's 40 bags. That's some baby stuff. We got baby in the end of April coming. And then I'll put them all in the box and take it to this consulting place tomorrow, and hopefully after next week when they have their meeting with all these HR directors of the companies, that they go with us, and yeah, it's gonna be great. All right, good morning. I'm gonna head to drop off these packages in the back. Heading to get the car washed. Gotta look presentable. I don't want to have the Lexus looking all dirty when I show up. Hopefully, Crew Car Wash is open today. I guess we'll find out here in a second. See if the door's open. Yes, we're gonna get the car washed. Plus I'm wearing a suit, so I can't like get road salt all over me. There we go. All right. see. There we go. All right, heading to the location to drop these goodie bags off. Got cop. Cop. All right. Okay. All right, here's my machine. One of my 6 machines. Cash. Probably been about a week's worth of money. That, not much down there in change. Let's open it up. Pop these open. Let's see. That needs filled. That needs filled. That's good. That's good. That all needs filled. Alright. Here's all the stuff for 1 week's worth. I gotta see how many Gatorade bottles I have left. I have 3. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this. So I just finished up stocking the machine, pulled about $25 out of it for a week. I had to stop the video because I had some personnel in here and they don't allow me to film, so I had to cut it off. But somebody else's little candy machine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's ready to go. On to my next location. There's me, Indie Healthy Vending LLC, completely insured. Seal card reader, got all the little sales tax included, all the verbiage, Apple Pay on this machine. Everything's good to go. I do have some items I switched out. Nature Valley trail mix bars are new. The trail mix that I had in there expired, so I replaced it with that. All those are due here in the end of March. So another month I got to pull some stuff and switch it out, but I made note of that. So other than that, pretty good. The machine did get hit by somebody. Somebody apparently got physical. You can see it was that far against the wall, and somebody actually pushed it against the wall and disrupted some of the bottles. But that's pretty much it. That's my machine. I get a lot of card transactions. Get a lot of card transactions from United States, USAT Technologies. They handle all that. It's about $8 a month fee, $7.95. So that's my machine right there, one of 6. The second machine actually I placed. Then I got another one. I just, like I said, consulting. I got another video with consulting. I actually make part of this video with a consulting firm to hopefully help place machines that businesses actually need machines at. So I don't have to search for them. They're actually bringing me leads and for free. So that's pretty awesome. So I'll keep an eye on my coming videos. Subscribe, like if you do. I'll hopefully provide valuable content. Tell me what you guys want to see.
I think next I'll actually do the software. I had it pulled up today to do some editing, but it was kind of slow. Like I said, I couldn't film like people were here, so I had to stop filming. So other than that, talk to you later.